Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a simple contact form page in WordPress without plugins. Alright, so let's begin with the video. We begin by directing your attention to the WordPress website. Open your preferred browser and head over to wordpress.com. With your account now signed into WordPress, the next step is to access the Pages section of your dashboard. Look for the navigation menu where you will see an option labeled Pages. Click on this. As you explore this section, you will see a list of any existing pages and also the option to add new ones. Since we're creating a contact form, locate and click on the Add Page button. This will prepare a blank page where you can start working on your contact section. Once the new page interface opens, you will see tools and a search bar in the left-hand panel. In the search bar, type Contact to quickly find the ready-made templates for contact pages. After entering your search, you will see an option called Contact Form. Click on it to load the template directly into your page editor. At this point, review your page carefully. You can edit the headings, add custom text, or adjust the design so it matches your website's style. Once you're happy with the look of your page, it's time to make it live. To do this, locate and click the Publish button in the top right corner. This action saves all your changes and instantly makes your new contact page available to your visitors. And that's it. So that is how you can create a simple contact form page in WordPress without plugins. So that's all for this video. Thanks.